Welcome to Venture Healthcare Institute. Today, we're excited to take you on a journey into the world of medical coding, your pathway to a rewarding healthcare career. Medical coding is the process of translating healthcare diagnoses, procedures, medical services, and equipment into universal codes. These codes play a vital role in billing, data analysis, and healthcare administration. Medical coding ensures that healthcare systems run efficiently. It bridges the gap between patient care and the administrative side, making sure everything from reimbursement to regulatory compliance is handled accurately. First, accurate reimbursement. Proper coding helps healthcare providers get paid correctly by insurance companies and government programs for the care they deliver. Next, data collection and analysis. Coding helps track patient demographics, treatments, and outcomes, which is vital for research, public health, and policymaking. And finally, regulatory compliance. Medical coding must follow strict guidelines, helping hospitals and clinics avoid penalties and audits. What do medical coders do? Their responsibilities include assigning the correct codes, ensuring accurate billing, maintaining clean data records, and staying compliant with industry regulations. Here's how coding works. After a patient's visit, the provider documents everything. A coder then reviews the medical records, assigns the correct codes, and submits them for billing and reimbursement. To succeed as a medical coder, you need analytical thinking, attention to detail, medical knowledge, tech proficiency, and strong communication skills. These skills help coders ensure accuracy and solve any discrepancies. Medical coding is one of the fastest-growing careers in healthcare. In India, there's a 30% job growth projected, with over 1,000 job openings and an attractive median salary. Certification gives you an edge. Want to become a certified coder? Start with education and training from an accredited institute like ours. Then earn certifications such as CPC or CCA. Build hands-on experience and stay current with continuous learning. To get started, explore training programs that suit your schedule, earn relevant certifications, gain practical experience, and keep learning to grow in your career. Ready to begin? Join Venture Healthcare Institute today and start your journey toward a rewarding career in medical coding. For details, contact us at the number or email shown here.